Namaskar student. In our last class we have done counting, number name and what comes after and what comes before. Today we will do the revision of this work only, and I am going to give you some worksheet which you have to do in your homework notebook. Before starting anything you will have to write down the date, that is 17th June, and after that we will write name of the lesson, that is lesson number 1. After writing lesson number 1 we will write the name of lesson, that is number up to 100. After doing that I will send you some worksheet. Yes student, now we will start with the today's class. Today we will do find out the smallest number. How to find out the smallest number? Student, we can find out the smallest number by, if I have two numbers like 63 and 42. Now I have to find out the smallest number, which is smallest number in this pair. So student, 63 and 42. Now there are two digits. Again here are two digits. Now we will see the number which is on the place of 10th. So in this number 10th place 4 number is there, and in this number 6 is there. Now we will find out 4 is bigger or 6 is bigger. So in 63 and 42, 63 is bigger number. In the same way, now we will find 63 and 42. So which number is smaller? So again we will see the place, 10th place. What number is on 10th place? And first number 6 is on 10th place, and in second number 4 is 10th place. So we will know this. We know this thing very well, that 4 is smaller than 6. The smaller number is 42. The smaller number is 42. In this pair, 42 is smaller number, and 63 is greater number. 63 is greater number. In this way we can find out the smaller number and greater number from a pair. Student, you have a question and circle the smaller number in each set in your book. That you can do now easily. Complete it in the book and send me for checking. After this student, we have question of ascending and descending order. We have question of ascending and descending order. Now we can see we are going to do first ascending order. Ascending order. Student, in ascending order we always arrange the number from smaller to greater. we always arrange the number from smaller to greater. What is the condition? We have to arrange the number from smaller to greater. हम छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर की तरफ जाते हैं. Now how to do the sum? Okay, now start the sum. A 63, 89, 42, 16 and 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers in this question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means to say in our answer there should be 5 number. जब हम आंसर लिखेंगे उस आंसर में 5 नंबर होने चाहिए. Now how to start doing ascending number? Okay, we will write answer. Student, remember this thing. 63 will be in different box, then comma, then 89, then comma, and we have to leave one block in after every number. Now I will leave this line. मैं line छोड़ दूंगी. Now I will write the answer. So your question is 63, 89, 42, 16 and 72. And I told you that before starting, to start ascending order, we always start with the smaller number. So I can see that 16 is the smaller number. I put tick on the 16. मैंने 16 को tick कर लिया और I'll write 16 here. मैंने 16 को यहाँ पर लिख भी दिया. After that, I will find the number which is bigger than 16 and smaller than other number. So after 16, I can see there is no number from second double digit of 20 series. There is no number of 20 series. Now I can see that there is no number of 30 series. Now I can see there is a number of series 40. 40 की series में से मेरे पास एक number है, तो I will write 42 here. Now after 42, I have take 16 and 42. Now I will see there is any number from series 5. No, there is no number of series 5. Now I will find out there is any number from 6 series. Yes, it is 63. So I will put tick on 63 and I will write 63 here. Now I will say after 63 there is a number series of 7. Yes, I will write 72 here. Then I will put a tick on 72. Then the last number is 89. So I will write 89 here. Again I will count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now my question is solved. अब मेरा question solve हो गया है. In the same way, I'll do one more question for you and you will have to revise this in your video only. No need to copy it anywhere. आपको ये कहीं भी copy करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. If you want to some work, I'll give you one worksheet for ascending and descending order which you will solve in your homework notebook or later on. Okay, student? Now I'm going to do one more question for you. It is 16, then 93, then 45, then 82, then 9. Now again I will leave this line. Now I'll start writing answer. Now again I am telling you that what I have to do. I have to start from smaller number. मुझे smaller number से start करना है. Then I will find out that there is any single digit number. Yeah, it is 9. यहाँ पर 9 है जो single digit number है. So I will write 9 here. Then I will put comma in next block. Now I will find that is there any number of series 1? Yes, 16, 93, 45, 82. Yes, 16 is the number which comes from 1 series. So I will write 16 here. Then I will put comma. Then I will put tick on the 16. Now I will find there is any number from 2 series. No. Now I will find there is any number from 30s. No. 40s. Yes, there is 45. So I will write 45 next. Now, is there any number from 50 series? No. 60 series? No. 70 series? No. Then we have a number 82. So I will write 82 here. Then I will see that the last number is 93 and I will write 93 here. And now my question is answer is complete. In this way I will complete ascending order in my notebook. Now you will revise these two questions at least twice. आप 2 बार इसको पढ़ेंगे. After that you will do the worksheet which I will give you. Now we have 2 questions in your book. 83, 61, 54, 42, 37. So we will start doing the sum. That is page number 8. On page number 8 we have two questions of ascending order, and now we will do the ascending order in our book. 83, 61, 54, 42, 37. So the first number which is smaller, that is 37. So I'll write 37 in first block. Then after 37 I can see that there is a number from series 40, that is 42. So I'll write 42 in next box. Then after series of 40 there is number 54, तो हम यहाँ पर 54 लिखेंगे. Then 61. Now I can see that there is no number from 70 series, so we cannot do anything. We will move further, and there is the last number which is 83. 83 को हम next column में लिख देंगे, so that कि ये हमारा question complete हो जाए. After that we will see that all numbers are arranged ascending order properly or not. हम कोई भी question को before checking नहीं छोड़ेंगे. We will see that there is 37, then 42, then 54, then 61, and then 83. Now we have checked the answer. It means our answer is correct. Now we will move to the next question. In next question we have 47, 89, 39, 74 or 98. Now we will find out that the smallest number is 39. हमारा सबसे छोटा number 39 है, तो I'll put tick on 39 and then write it in on the block. Now next number is 47. I'll put a tick on 47 and then write 47 in next block. After 47 I can see that there is number 74 जो कि 47 से बड़ा है और दूसरे नंबर से छोटा है, तो I'll write 74 here and put a tick on 74. Now 89, I'll put tick on 89 and I'll write 89 in the box. And then the last number is 98. लास्ट नंबर हमारे पास 98 है, तो वी विल राइट 98 here and then we will complete this question. Now student, we will check again the answer. The first number is 39, second is 47, third is 74, then 89, then 98. In this way we will complete this question.